Welcome to SVM Learning. In this video, I am going to explain echelon form of a matrix and rank of a matrix in echelon form. Now first, echelon form of a matrix. A matrix is said to be in echelon form. The first condition is zeros must be in increasing order before the first non-zero elements. And the second condition, the zero rows must follow the non-zero rows. Now, rank of the matrix in echelon form. Okay, the number of non-zero rows in echelon form is called the rank of the matrix and it is denoted by row of A. The symbol is called row. And only row operations we have to apply in this echelon form. Now the first problem, find the rank of the matrix. Matrix A is 2, 1, 3, 5 first row, 4, 2, 1, 3 second row, 8, 4, 7, 13 third row, 8, 4, minus 3, minus 1 is fourth row. Now this matrix we have to find the rank by using the echelon form. So now in this echelon form, just we have to take only the row operations. Already I mentioned that only row operations. Now the first row is non-zero row and the first element is also non-zero. So now you have to apply the row operations for the R2, R3, R4. By using the R1, I am going to apply the row operations. The first one, R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 4R1, R4 tends to R4 minus 4R1. When you apply these row operations, there you get a matrix. Here again you apply the R3 tends to R3 minus R2, R4 tends to R4 minus 3R2. Then what happened? The second already you have two zeros and the third row you have 4 zeros and fourth row you have 4 zeros. Now which converted into the echelon form. So how it is converted into the echelon form? Zeros which are in increasing order and the zero row must follow the non-zero rows. Okay, in the second row you have 2 zeros and the third row you have 4 zeros and fourth row you have 4 zeros. So zeros are in increasing order and these zeros rows are following what? Before the first non-zero elements. Okay, this matrix is in echelon form. Now what is the rank of a matrix? Rank of a matrix is number of non-zero rows. So here how many number of non-zero rows we have? The first row and second row, 2 are the non-zero rows. Now the rank of A is 2. So row of A equal to 2. Now the second problem, find the rank of the first row is 2 minus 4 3 minus 1 0. Second row 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2. Third row 0 1 minus 1 3 1. Fourth row 4 minus 7 4 minus 4 5. So here we have to find the rank. Here I am going to apply the echelon form. So now here I am applying R1 if and only if R2. Here what I am doing, the interchanging the rows. This is for my convenience. If 1 is in the first row, when I am using this R2, R3, R4 row operations, it is very convenient. So that I am taking R2 if and only R1. So interchange the R1 and R2 rows. And next applying R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, R4 tends to R4 minus 4R1. Here I am not taking R3 because of already I have R3 row. The first element is 0. So that here I am taking only R2, R3 for making the R2 first element, R3 first element zeros. Now when you apply R2, R4 row operations, here you get this matrix. In this matrix you have second row 2 zeros, third row 1 0, fourth row 1 0. So in the echelon form, what is the condition? Zeros which are in increasing order before the first non-zero element. So first non-zero element in the first row, first element is 1. So it is non-zero. But zeros which are in increasing order. In this matrix which are not in increasing order, because in the second row I have 2 zeros and third and fourth row I have 1 0. So that here I am interchanging the rows. So which rows I am going to interchange? R2 and R3 I am going to interchange. So now here we get, after interchanging R2, R3, here we get the matrix is in an echelon form. So in the second row I have 1 0, third row I have 2 zeros and fourth row I have 1 0. So this I have to make as more than 2 zeros. So that here what I am taking, R4 tends to R4 minus to R2. R4 tends to R4 minus R2. So after applying this row operation, here I get this matrix, but in this matrix also I have in the fourth row I have 2 zeros, but in the third row I have 2 zeros, fourth row I have 2 zeros, so which is not in echelon form. In the fourth row it should be more than 2 zeros. That's what I am taking. R4 tends to R4 minus 9 by 5 into R3. After applying this row operation, here I get this matrix. Now see, here in the first row, which is non-zero row, and second row I have 1 0, third row I have 2 zeros, and fourth row I have 3 zeros. So zeros which are in increasing order before the first non-zero element. So the matrix is converted into the echelon form. So this is in the echelon form. Here we can find the rank of a matrix. So how to find a rank of a matrix in echelon form? The number of non-zero rows are called the rank of a matrix. In this matrix we have 4 non-zero rows, then the rank of matrix is 4. So row of A equal to 4. Also you can see 2 more problems in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. In the next class, we will see the normal form or a canonical form. Thank you.